Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot Partner TP. Now this vehicle has been modified for wheelchair access and comes with an electric winch. It also retains 5 seats. On top of this you get reverse parking sensors, air conditioning, cruise control and Bluetooth. The car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. Comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. It's done under 37,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please visit us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.